Austin, February 11th, 2020. It's approximately 5:37 p.m. Central Time here. By the time this video gets uploaded, it'll be much later because YouTube is very slow, or my phone's very slow. I just received this article from Sister Rhonda R. and I was going to save it for tomorrow, but I'd like to get it out now. It says coronavirus could infect 60% of the global population if unchecked. Pardon me, the screen's getting stuck here. The coronavirus epidemic could spread to about 2/3 of the world's population if it cannot be controlled, according to Hong Kong's leading public health epidemiologist. I'm not saying it right. Once again, if there's any grammar Nazis in here about my reading or whatever, you can go suck a fat one. But anyways, his warning came after the head of the World Health Organization said recent cases of coronavirus patients who had never visited China could be the tip of the iceberg. It's not scrolling properly. Gabriel Leong, the chair of the public health medicine at Hong Kong University, said the overriding question was to figure out the size and shape of the iceberg. Most experts thought each person infected would go on to transmit the virus to about 2.5 other people. That gave an attack rate of 60 to 80%. 60% of the world's population is an awfully big number, Leong told The Guardian in London. An expert meeting at the WHO, World Health Organization, in Geneva on Tuesday. Scroll here. Even if the general fatality rate is low as 1%, which Leong thinks is possible, once milder cases are taken into account, the death toll could be massive. He will tell the World Health Organization meeting that the main issue is the scale of the growing worldwide epidemic, and second primary is to find out whether the drastic measures taken by China to prevent the spreading have worked, which they haven't. Because if so, other countries should think about adopting them. Yeah, right. Like America's going to go ahead and weld people into their own homes. Anyways, the Geneva meeting brings together more than 400 researchers and national authorities, including some participating by video conference from mainland China and Taiwan. Within 99% of cases in China, this remains very much an emergency for that country. But one that holds a very grave threat for the rest of the world. The World Health Organization said in its opening remarks, to date, China has reported 42,708 confirmed cases, including 1,017 deaths total so far, which we all know that is complete garbage. But anyways, once again, I don't care my reading. If you don't like it, go somewhere else. But this could possibly affect 60 to 80% of the global population. This is serious, everybody. So please get right with God, and thank you very much, Sister Rhonda R., for the article. You can find it. I will actually put the link in, and you can read it. It goes on further, but I know if I go much further, it'll take 2 hours to load this video. So anyways, we're not out of the woods yet, not even close. Fear no man, never fear death. Get right with God, fight the good fight, and always Stay locked and loaded. God bless.